Ever feel like your conversations are falling flat? If you're looking to spice things up and make your interactions more engaging, you're in the right place. Today, we'll uncover how to make your boring conversations flirty. Number 1. Playful teasing. Playful teasing is an art that, when done right, can add a fun and flirty dimension to your conversations. The goal is to create a light-hearted and enjoyable interaction without crossing the line into hurtful or sarcastic remarks. Start by gently poking fun at something minor or quirky about her, like her obsession with a particular TV show or her unique way of doing something. For instance, do you always make that cute face when you're concentrating, or is it just for me? This kind of teasing shows that you are paying attention and can create a fun banter between you two. Remember, the key is to keep it light and never touch on sensitive subjects. The aim is to make her laugh and feel comfortable, not to make her defensive or uncomfortable. Playful teasing builds rapport and demonstrates that you are confident and comfortable enough to joke around, which can be incredibly attractive. When executed with care and respect, playful teasing can turn any boring conversation into a memorable and flirty exchange. It's about creating a dynamic where both of you can enjoy a back and forth that feels natural and engaging, making her look forward to your interactions. Number 2. Compliments. Compliments are a powerful tool to transform any conversation from mundane to flirty. But not just any compliments, focus on genuine and thoughtful ones. Instead of generic phrases like, "You look nice," try something more specific and sincere. For example, "I love how passionate you are about your hobbies. It's really attractive." This shows that you are paying attention and genuinely appreciate her qualities. Compliments that highlight personality traits, intelligence, or unique attributes can spark interest and make her feel valued. The key is to be authentic and avoid overdoing it, as excessive flattery can come off as insincere. By incorporating meaningful compliments into your conversations, you create a positive atmosphere that fosters deeper connection and subtle flirtation. When she feels genuinely appreciated, she's more likely to engage and reciprocate the flirtation, leading to a more dynamic and enjoyable interaction. Compliments should feel natural and be delivered in a relaxed manner, ensuring they come across as genuine rather than rehearsed. This approach helps build trust and intimacy, making your conversations more engaging and memorable. Number 3. Flirty touches. Flirty touches are subtle yet powerful ways to communicate attraction and create intimacy in your conversations. Physical touch can convey interest and affection in a way that words alone cannot. Start with light, appropriate touches, such as a gentle tap on the arm when she says something funny, or a light touch on the back to guide her through a crowded space. These small gestures can build a sense of closeness and make the interaction feel more personal. It's important to be mindful of her comfort level and to ensure that your touches are welcomed. Pay attention to her body language and responses. If she seems receptive, you can gradually increase the frequency and intimacy of your touches. Remember, less is often more when it comes to physical flirtation. The goal is to create a connection without being overwhelming. By incorporating flirty touches into your conversations, you can enhance the chemistry and make her feel more connected to you, turning a regular chat into a more intimate and engaging experience. Appropriate and well-timed touches convey warmth and create a bond, making the conversation feel more special and memorable. Number 4. Creating shared experiences. Shared experiences can turn a mundane conversation into an exciting and flirty exchange. When you do things together, it creates memories and inside jokes that can be referenced in future conversations, deepening your connection. This could be as simple as watching a movie together, trying a new activity, or even just going for a walk. When you share experiences, it gives you both something to talk about and bond over. Suggest doing something fun or spontaneous that you can both enjoy. For example, how about we check out that new coffee shop this weekend? I hear they have the best pastries in town. Shared activities provide natural opportunities for flirtation and playfulness as you navigate new experiences together. They also show that you are interested in spending quality time with her, which can be very flattering and appealing. By creating and sharing memorable moments, you build a foundation of positive experiences that can enhance your relationship and make your conversations more dynamic and engaging. Number 5. Asking engaging questions. Asking engaging questions can significantly enhance the flirty tone of your conversation. Instead of sticking to typical mundane questions like, "How was your day?" Opt for more intriguing and personal queries that invite deeper interaction. Questions like, what's something you're passionate about that not many people know? Or, if you could travel anywhere right now, where would you go and why? Can lead to more meaningful and exciting discussions. Engaging questions show that you are genuinely interested in getting to know her on a deeper level, and they can spark a more vibrant and flirtatious exchange. By asking these types of questions, you encourage her to share more about herself, which builds intimacy and connection. It also allows you to discover common interests and unique traits that you can playfully tease or compliment her on, incorporating elements from the previous tips. These deeper questions create a sense of mystery and curiosity, making her eager to share more and learn about you in return. Additionally, engaging questions can naturally lead to shared experiences, whether through discussing future plans or reminiscing about past adventures, further enriching the conversation. They help shift the dialogue from routine small talk to an engaging, flirty interaction that keeps both parties interested and invested in the conversation. So, who do you want to be in your conversations? Someone who effortlessly turns the mundane into moments of connection and fun. Embrace these tips and watch as your interactions become more engaging and flirtatious. With that said, thanks for watching.